In this video, I will show you how you can earn good money in binary options. Let's start in live market today. So I have added a few indicators today. Those indicators were used in OTC market, not for the real market. So I have placed few buy trades here. So I'm pretty sure that the market will go up. Okay, so I have placed few more trades with marginal safety. So if you have a low balance like $100, then you can start with $1 or $2 per trade, so that you can take a few more trades with marginal safety. It's very important because market is not safe at all. Most of the time market is volatile. So if you are taking marginal safety, like as you can see, this candle was coming down, then I took few trades, so that is called the marginal safety. So if you are taking a trade on the tip of the edge, then it's you are getting advantages. So I got few profits here. So let's see, let's find another trade. Okay, actually this currency pair is having the end of the trend right now, so it's trying to go for a range. Okay, I have taken few more trades here. So as because the market is in range right now, so it can go up and down most of the time. Let's say I'm pretty sure this candle will go up. Okay, so let's wait. Okay, it's a profit as well. I got 3 losses, 6 wins, so it's pretty good. Okay, so let's find few more trades. Okay, the market is confusing right now. Okay, so let's switch new pair. Let's find if I can get few more trades. Alright. Okay, I have got a new trade after few minutes, and in the meantime I took few trades in GBP CHF. Okay, so let's see this. Right now it looks good, so I can place a trade here. Alright, let's wait for the candle to finish. And in the meantime, if you want account management service, then you can contact us. We can manage your account with daily highest profit. I have taken a few trades here, a few up trades. Okay, and you can copy your trades as well. If you want to copy your trades, then you can contact us so that you can earn money by copying our trades. It's very easy. And for copying, if you want to copy your trades, then you need to have minimum $300 account balance, and more the better. Like if you have more than 300, like $1,000 or $2,000, it's very good. And we are targeting 10% profit per day with 100% safety. Okay, it's almost done. So this is our today's profit. So please contact us for copy trading, and if you like the video, please like and subscribe our channel.